Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert multiple images to one PDF file. So you simply need to search image to pdf.com and you need to open this website. So once this website is open, here you can see different options. So you simply need to select this one, click on upload files. So let me open the files from my computer. Let me upload all images. So once all images are uploaded, so here you can see, click on download all and it will now convert it into a PDF. So let me show you. So here you can see. So this is the process how you can convert multiple images to one PDF file. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.